Guys, look at this. See all that paint? See all that paint? We gotta take all of that off the window. Look at it. Check this guy out. Check this guy out. Look at it. All that paint, brother. And we're gonna make it look pretty. Gonna look pretty when we're done with it. So y'all need your windows clean. Give Window Cleaning Clinic a call. That track from the outside, we're gonna clean it up. Look at it. Let's back up. So it look, all that paint, and we're gonna get it right. Got Dimitri brushing out cleaning out the track, working on this project here in Little Atlanta. First time clean, never been cleaned before. And we just use the vacuum